Toby found an old cloak in his attic that made him invisible when he wore it. He decided to show it to his best friend, Lily.
Look, I can disappear.
Toby said, putting on the cloak. Lily, who was always curious, gasped.
That's amazing. Can I try it?
They took turns using the cloak, playing tricks on each other and having fun. But then, Toby thought of using the cloak to sneak into the school and see the answers to a test. Lily disagreed.
That's cheating, Toby. We should use the cloak for fun, not to break rules.
Toby realized Lily was right. They decided to use the cloak to help others instead. They found lost items and returned them to their owners, feeling proud of their good deeds. Comprehension questions. What did Toby find in his attic? Toby found an old cloak that made him invisible. How did Lily react to the invisible cloak? Lily was curious and amazed by the cloak. What did Toby initially want to do with the cloak? Toby wanted to use the cloak to sneak into the school and see the answers to a test. You can get a physical copy of the story for additional practice. Please see the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to never miss a character's perspectives in a literary text story. I'll see you next time.